Yo, what's up everyone, it's Shahrir and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of PHP, a language that's been a cornerstone of the web for as long as I can remember. Now we all know PHP can build some seriously powerful websites, but let's be real, writing everything from scratch? That can get tedious, fast. That's where frameworks come in. Think of them as the scaffolding for your code, providing structure, efficiency, and a whole lot of pre-built functionality. We're talking about tools and libraries that streamline everything from routing and database management to security and templating. So whether you're building a simple blog or a complex web application, there's a PHP framework out there that can make your life a whole lot easier. First up, we've got Laravel, arguably the most popular PHP framework on the block right now. Laravel has taken the PHP community by storm, and it's not hard to see why. With its elegant syntax and powerful features, it has become the go-to framework for many developers around the world. And you know what? It's popular for a reason. Laravel offers a clean and straightforward approach to web development, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned developers. Its comprehensive documentation and active community support mean that help is always just a click away. Laravel is all about elegance and simplicity, making it a joy to work with, even if you're new to the PHP scene. The framework's creator, Taylor Otwell, designed it with the philosophy of making common tasks used in the majority of web projects, such as authentication, routing, sessions, and caching, as simple as possible. One of the things that sets Laravel apart is its focus on developer experience. The framework is built to be intuitive and enjoyable to use, which can significantly boost productivity and reduce the learning curve for new developers. This focus on developer happiness is evident in every aspect of Laravel. It's packed with features that just make your life easier, like Eloquent ORM for interacting with databases in a super intuitive way. Eloquent allows you to work with your database objects and relationships using an expressive syntax, making database interactions a breeze. Trust me, once you've experienced the magic of Eloquent, you'll never want to go back to writing raw SQL queries. Eloquent not only simplifies database operations but also ensures that your code remains clean and maintainable. But Laravel isn't just about database management. It offers a wide range of tools and features that cover almost every aspect of web development. From routing and middleware to authentication and authorization, Laravel has got you covered. It also comes with Blade, a templating engine that lets you create dynamic views without all the headache. Blade's simple yet powerful syntax allows you to write clean and readable templates, making it easier to manage your application's front end. Plus, with Artisan Laravel's command line interface, you can automate all those tedious, repetitive tasks like creating controllers, models, and migrations. Artisan is a powerful tool that can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on writing your application's business logic. And the best part? Laravel has a massive and active community, so you'll never be short of resources, tutorials, and support when you need it. The community is always ready to help, whether you're stuck on a problem or looking for best practices. It's like having a whole team of PHP experts on speed dial. The Laravel community is one of the most welcoming and supportive out there, making it an excellent choice for developers of all skill levels. So, if you haven't tried Laravel yet, now is the perfect time to dive in and see what all the hype is about. Next up, we've got Symfony, a framework that's known for its flexibility and scalability. Symfony is a robust PHP framework that has been a cornerstone in the web development community for years. It's not just a tool, it's a powerhouse that can adapt to a wide range of project requirements, making it a favorite among developers who need reliability and performance. If Laravel is the sleek sports car of the PHP world, Symfony is the heavy-duty truck. It can handle anything you throw at it. This analogy isn't just about power, it's about the ability to manage complex, large-scale applications with ease. Symfony's architecture is designed to be both robust and flexible, allowing developers to build applications that are not only powerful but also maintainable in the long run. One of the things that makes Symfony so powerful is its modular component system. This system is a collection of decoupled and reusable components that can be used independently or together. Each component is designed to solve a specific problem, and they can be mixed and matched to suit the needs of your project. This modularity is what gives Symfony its incredible flexibility. You see, Symfony is built on a set of reusable components that you can use independently in your own projects, or even integrate into other frameworks like Laravel. This means you can take advantage of Symfony's powerful features without having to commit to the entire framework. It's like having a toolbox where you can pick and choose the exact tools you need for the job. That's right, Laravel itself is built on top of several Symfony components. This integration showcases the versatility and reliability of Symfony's components. By leveraging these components, Laravel inherits the robustness and flexibility that Symfony is known for, making it a powerful framework in its own right. This component-based architecture gives you a ton of flexibility and control over your application. You can tailor your application to meet specific requirements without being bogged down by unnecessary features. This level of customization is particularly beneficial for large-scale projects where performance and efficiency are critical. You can choose to use only the components you need, which allows for a lightweight and efficient application. This selective usage ensures that your application remains lean and performs optimally without the overhead of unused features. Or you can use the full-blown Symfony framework to build complex enterprise-level applications. This full-stack approach provides a comprehensive set of tools and features that can handle the most demanding projects, making Symfony a go-to choice for enterprise solutions. And because Symfony is so widely used, there's a massive community of developers contributing to its development and supporting each other. This community is a treasure trove of knowledge and resources, offering everything from tutorials and documentation to forums and chat groups where you can get real-time help. So, if you ever run into any roadblocks, chances are someone else has already encountered and solved the same problem. This collective wisdom makes troubleshooting and problem-solving much more manageable, allowing you to focus on building great applications without getting stuck on technical issues. So you're looking for a PHP framework that's not going to bog you down with a steep learning curve? Maybe you're tired of spending countless hours just trying to understand the basics of a new framework, or perhaps you need to get a project off the ground quickly without getting lost in a sea of documentation. CodeIgniter might just be your answer. It's designed to be simple and straightforward, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers who want to streamline their workflow. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to get a project up and running quickly. With CodeIgniter, you can focus more on writing your application and less on the framework itself. What I like about CodeIgniter is that it doesn't force you into any specific design patterns. This flexibility allows you to adapt the framework to your needs rather than the other way around. Whether you're building a small website or a complex web application, CodeIgniter can handle it. It gives you the freedom to structure your code the way you want, which is really valuable for smaller projects where you don't need the overhead of a larger framework. This means you can keep your codebase clean and organized without unnecessary complexity. But don't let the simplicity fool you. CodeIgniter is still a powerful framework. It has a robust set of libraries and helpers that can make your development process faster and more efficient. From handling sessions to managing file uploads, CodeIgniter has got you covered. It comes with all the essential features you need for web development, like database abstraction, form validation, and security features. These built-in functionalities save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, building your application. Plus, its lightweight nature means your applications will be fast and responsive. In today's world, where performance is key, having a framework that doesn't slow you down is a huge advantage. CodeIgniter ensures that your applications run smoothly and efficiently. If you're just starting out with PHP frameworks or need to build something quickly without sacrificing performance, CodeIgniter is definitely worth checking out. Its user-friendly approach and comprehensive documentation make it easy to get started and keep going. It's a solid choice that won't disappoint. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a team, CodeIgniter provides the tools and flexibility you need to succeed. Give it a try and you might just find that it's the perfect fit for your next project. Alright, let's talk about CakePHP. This framework is all about making your life easier with its convention over configuration approach. What that means is CakePHP makes a lot of assumptions about how you want to structure your application, so you don't have to spend time configuring every little detail. This can be a huge time saver, especially for beginners. You can jump right into writing code without getting bogged down in configuration files. Plus, CakePHP comes with a bunch of built-in tools and conventions for common tasks like database interaction, routing, and security. One of the things I appreciate about CakePHP is its focus on security. It has built-in features for preventing common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection, which is crucial for any web application. Overall, CakePHP provides a structured and streamlined development experience. If you value speed and efficiency, CakePHP is definitely a framework to consider. Now, if you're building something big, something that needs to handle a ton of traffic, the Yi framework might be right up your alley. Yi, which stands for Yes, It Is known for its high performance and scalability, making it a solid choice for large-scale web applications. One of the things that makes Yi so fast is its aggressive use of caching. It caches everything it can, from database queries to rendered views, to minimize the load on your server. This results in snappy response times, even under heavy traffic. And when it comes to security, Yi doesn't mess around. It has built-in features for preventing common web vulnerabilities, like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and cross-site request forgery. So you can rest assured knowing your application is well protected. Yi also has a powerful component-based architecture. This means you can easily extend the framework's functionality by using readily available extensions or by creating your own. This makes Yi highly customizable and adaptable to your specific needs. Alright, moving on to a framework that's a heavyweight contender in the enterprise world, Zend framework, now known as Laminas. This one's got a long history and a reputation for building robust, scalable applications. Think of Laminas as that super reliable, feature-packed toolkit that's been around for years. It's got everything you need to build complex systems. But that also means it might have a slightly steeper learning curve compared to some others we've talked about. But hey, that's the trade-off for flexibility and power, right? If you're working on a large-scale project with a team of developers, Laminas can provide the structure and tools you need to build something truly impressive. Plus, its modular design means you can pick and choose the components you need, keeping things efficient. Now let's talk about something completely different, Phalcon. This framework takes a unique approach to PHP development, and it's all about speed. See, most PHP frameworks are written in PHP itself, but Phalcon, it's actually written in C and delivered as a PHP extension. Yeah, you heard that right. See, this means it runs incredibly close to the metal, resulting in some seriously impressive performance gains. We're talking about significantly faster execution speeds compared to traditional PHP frameworks. This makes Phalcon a perfect choice for applications where performance is absolutely critical, like high-traffic websites or resource-intensive APIs. So you're looking for something lean, something mean, but still capable of handling your web app needs? Well, that's where Slim Framework steps in. This micro-framework takes a less-is-more approach, focusing on the essentials without sacrificing functionality. Think of it like a perfectly curated minimalist workspace. Everything you need is there, without the clutter. This makes Slim an ideal choice for developers who prioritize speed and efficiency in their workflow. Plus, Slim's lightweight nature makes it incredibly fast. We're talking lightning-fast response times, which is crucial for delivering a smooth user experience. Whether you're building a simple API or a small web application, Slim provides a solid foundation to build upon without weighing you down. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground, but the world of PHP frameworks doesn't stop there. There are still some gems out there that deserve a shout-out. Let's start with FuelPHP, a framework known for its flexibility and modular approach. FuelPHP gives you the freedom to structure your applications however you see fit, making it a great choice for developers who like to have full control over their code base. It's like having all the tools laid out in front of you, ready to be assembled in a way that perfectly matches your vision. And speaking of control, FuelPHP also boasts a powerful routing system that gives you granular control over how your application handles incoming requests. This level of customization is perfect for building complex applications with unique routing needs. But FuelPHP's flexibility doesn't mean sacrificing security. It comes equipped with robust security features out of the box, ensuring that your applications are well protected from common web vulnerabilities. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of PHP open source frameworks. From the elegance of Laravel to the simplicity of Slim, the flexibility of Fuel PHP to the speed of Lumen, the options are vast and varied. Whether you're building a personal blog, a robust API, or a full-scale enterprise application, there's a PHP framework out there that perfectly suits your needs. The beauty of open source is the constant innovation and the strong community support that surrounds these frameworks, and that's the beauty of the PHP ecosystem. You have the power to choose the tools that best align with your project's requirements and your personal coding style. So dive in, explore, experiment, and build something amazing.